Ever wondered how your courses are performing inside Creator LMS? Here's a quick look at all the analytics that we have in Creator LMS so that you can track progress, understand your students' behavior, and grow your revenue. Let's get started. So, first, we're going to talk about the overall dashboard that we have in Creator LMS. So, let's go to the Creator LMS dashboard. So, if I click here, you'll see the overview where we have some specific analytics that you can see from the dashboard itself. You don't have to go to different places to go over the analytics. So here you're going to see the earning report, the basic earning report that we have. Now here you can see that I have a total income of $1,104. There's a small percentage here given as well. So this is 100% within the last 30 days. Then I have a refund rate. So if any refund has been gone recently, that's going to show up here as well. And then I have the net income that's related to the income, but this is the net income after if some refunds have gone or something like that. Then if I scroll down, you'll see how many courses were sold in the last 30 days. That's going to show up here, and there's a percentage here. And it says 125%. You can go over the orders from here directly. I'm going to show it a bit later. Then we have the students, how many students I have here, and how many communities I have. So I can click on the manage community and directly go to the community section and then manage the community analytics there. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see another analytics here, and that's the top course performance. So if you have, let's say, 10 courses, the one that's performing the most is going to show up here. So this is the ranking based on the courses that were the course enrollees. All right. So you can go to the specific course analytics from here as well. Then if you scroll down, you'll see recently published courses here. You can see all the details here, like date, how many students each course has, the total sales of each course, and the pricings. All right. So that's about it for the dashboard. So for the student analytics, you'll be able to see a specific student's email, when the date they've registered, and the external options like the enrolled courses, in progress courses, if they have completed any courses or not, and the total memberships that they have. Here, you'll be also able to see the exact course name, how many lessons or content they've finished, and if the status is in progress or not. So there's a specific option here as well that's not showing here, and that is sending a reminder. So if your student is inactive for a very long time, you'll be able to send them a personal reminder for making them accountable for completing the course. So that's how the student analytics works. Is pretty straightforward. And there's another thing that if you go to the overall student section here, you will be able to take some actions like the overall analytics that I already showed you, and you can specifically ban them. So if a student has some misconduct in your course, you can ban them and they won't be part of your course anymore. Now let's go to the earning report, and I'm going to show you how the overall earning report is shown in this Creator LMS. So if you go to the earning report from here, you'll see an overall percentage of the revenue that you've earned until now. So by default it's set as all times, and you'll see that in the dashboard my earning was about 1100 that was done in the past 30 days, and the total income until now I have got is $6,450. So basically you can see that the earning here is showing the overall, and I have $250 refund, and you'll see the graph. It's shown between September 24th to October 9th. So there's a spike here, there's a spike here. So you can see the specific time frame when an income was done and how many refunds you've given to your customers, the overall report. All right. Then you'll be able to see some order report from the right side of the analytics. So here, if you haven't checked any orders that has come recently, you haven't processed it yet, you'll be able to see the report from here. Then we have another option here, which is the earning from top countries. So here you can see the US, it's $5,368, and from BD we have $1,081. So you will be able to see which countries people are actually buying your courses, and then you can maybe using this specific analytics, you can literally run paid ads according to that. Okay. So let's go to the transaction history in the earning analytics. You can see the last ordered details. You can see that someone bought it from $0. Maybe you give it to them. Then we have some specific earnings here. And you can see all the details of the transaction history from the order as well. So let's go to the orders here. Here, you'll be able to see the overall order details. Now, let's say someone bought it with Stripe with $200. Let's see a specific order, all right? So in the specific order section, you'll be also able to see the order exact details of the orders. So here we have students, we have billing address, we have some customer history. You can add notes if this specific customer needs to have something. And we have some digital marketing bootcamp. Everything here is perfect as well. You can see the profile of the customer as well. So this is a student analytics. Now let's move over to the student analytics. Now let's go over the specific course analytics. All right. So first, I'm going to go over to any of the course analytics you can check. So let's go to the analytics. Now this is an overall course analytics of an individual course. All right. So here you can see the journey mapping. So in this section, you'll be able to see how many students you have in a course, if anyone completed your courses, the students that are completing or in midst of a course, and the overall ratings. Then you have the chapters, lessons, quizzes, and assignments. How many of these do you have? Then you have the earnings. So here you can see the income, the refund, and the net income of a specific course, and you'll be able to see the visual in a graph. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see the student name. Now here, as I said before, you can see if a person has skipped any quizzes, skipped any assignments, if they completed, or if they enrolled. So here you'll be able to understand how many students have finished your courses or in midst of a course, or maybe they're not even doing anything inside the course. So you can go ahead and take an action and send them a reminder. So here you will be able to send an individual email to that specific student. Now this is a very handy feature, and this is going to help you engage with the students that are disengaged and who are not even considering completing the course. This will create an accountability so that you can send them a reminder so that they finish their course. With Creator LMS, you don't just teach. You can grow smarter with every insights that we provide inside the analytics. So, track your progress, connect with your students with smart analytics, and scale your business in no time. Take care, and we'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us.